IDC's Utility Summit for 2014 with Mike and Nadini from Opower. So I'd like to start off just by asking you a question. Isn't it counterintuitive for utility companies to be using solutions to get their consumers to reduce energy consumption?
Yeah, no, that's a great question, Adam. For Opower, we offer a customer engagement software, and we deliver a number of solutions: energy efficiency, cost to serve, demand response, and smart grid enablement. Your question on, why would you sell less as a utility? It's a great one. Energy efficiency doesn't need to mean, it's not a euphemism for less revenue. An efficient customer is a more engaged customer. And if you have an engaged customer, they're going to spend more time with you, the utility, they're going to be interested in your services, in your digital, in your other offerings, potentially stay with you longer, not look to move to other utilities, which is very pertinent in the UK market, buy other services. So the key thing here that we've seen around the world is an efficient customer is a happier customer, is a more engaged customer.
Thank you. And how do you go about getting these results? So I understand you use big data analytics and social behavior programs. How does that actually happen?
It's a good question. Top line, I like to think of three things: data science, computer science, behavioral science. You need all of those three ingredients to have a very effective platform. So think about Opower as big data. We handle 300 billion meter reads a year, meets Apple-like user design, meets Amazon-like customer experience for the utility industry. So we're basically taking data from the utility, we're merging that with other data available, housing, geoparcel data, weather data, to basically bring that into our proprietary algorithms and actually look at the relevant customer journeys that will actually nudge consumers to take interest in energy, because energy isn't that interesting for the average human being.
I think to complement that as well, in terms of what Nandini said, big data is almost a esoteric concept if you can't take action on that data. And Opower's personalization engine allows you to learn all those things that Nandini's discussed, but then take direct action through the Opower platform. Outbound communications, the choice of the customer, be that paper, which we see works often, be that mobile, be that web, and people change. And what we're starting to do is dynamically segment people as they change. And this is something which happens in industries like banking. We referred to Amazon, companies that were born digital. The thing that we're contributing to utilities is you don't have to have been born digital to actually now become digital. And that's what we're enabling through a single platform.
Great. And what sort of results have you seen with consumers? How are they approaching it? Are they enjoying it? Or?
They are. I mean, it's amazing. I don't know of any other marketing campaign where 85% of consumers change their behavior. They're opening these, they're opening our applications, they're reading them, they're sharing them, they're taking action. They're showing, 1 to 3% energy savings. They're showing, 60% plus cross sales. They're showing improved customer satisfaction, beneficial. They trust the utility more. The utility wants to provide me transparency, cost savings. They just want to help me. This has actually been the key proponent of why we're investing to go global. And at the heart of our mission is let's make energy information transparent. So it's been really successful so far.
I think to echo that, if you look at customers around the world that are using Opower, whether it's in Australia, whether it's in Japan, whether it's across North America, or a little bit closer to home in the UK, you only have to go to E.ON UK's website to see that energy consumers are following their energy company. They're actually engaging. And I think that's something that we probably didn't think collectively would be achieved even a couple of years ago. People are engaging. And actually back to your first question about energy efficiency, should regulations change? Should they need their customers to come on that journey? A customer that's already engaged with a regulator that's already engaged, that is a win-win for the utility, for the regulator, for the country, for the EU as a whole. So we really think, we call it Customer 360, having that whole holistic approach on the single platform really works.
Good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.